If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Yeah, yeah man, yeah man, yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so for us to the face, I hear the voice, man. You don't know, say a cogent. So I just did want that spinning thing come off the screen. For us to the face, I hear the voice, man. You don't know, say a cogency. Pon the cogency rocks channel. And today, we have Sidemen Tinder in real life 3, the one with Chunkz and Philly. I don't remember the comment, but somebody was like, yeah, do the Sidemen Tinder, but you have to do the one with Philly and Chunkz. So I was like, all right, I'm going to do that one, my bro. But it's 57 minutes long, bro. First of all, you're not even going to go and click on this video if you don't like my longer reactions. You know what I'm saying? Go watch the short reaction, them. I give y'all niggas a lot on this channel, you know, which is why y'all niggas should subscribe, because we're on the road to 2K. 1.7 right now, bro. So if you're seeing this, please hit the subscribe button for me. Hit the notification bell if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Naughty gang. I see people commenting. Naughty gang. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. You wouldn't even understand how much I appreciate just you guys showing support to my channel. Like, it means a lot. It keeps me going. Because if I never see any support, I would stop doing it. Because I would be like, what's the point? You know what I'm saying? So please subscribe for me. Let's hit 2K. And let's keep growing. Keep moving. Like and comment. Comment what you want me react to next. Comment what you like, what you don't like. Comment your name, where you're from, and let me welcome you to the channel. I reply to all the comments. You know, we're a whole community over here, a family. You understand? So comment, you know what I'm saying? And let's just welcome you to the family. Welcome you to our world. You understand? The Cogent Sirax channel. But you don't know. Let's just jump into this shit. I don't want to waste no more time. You understand? Let's go.
Finally, ladies and gentlemen, a brand new Tinder video. It feels like it's been so long.
Balski.
I hope you're all as excited as I am because this video is a straight banger. Now, before people start getting offended, this is all just for entertainment.
Thank you.
Don't take life too seriously. Live a little. Also, everyone.
You see, when I get to that point where I'm that lit, where I have to be complaining about people getting offended, I might do it. But for now, nigga, fuck you if you get offended. Nigga, suck my dick if you get offended by any of the shit I say. Nigga, suck my dick.
Everyone in the room, including the camera crew, were COVID tested. We all came out negative, so you don't have to worry about that too. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, let's get on with the video.
Exactly, because they know that people going to be in the comments chatting shit to the dog. I hate human beings, but let's just continue, man.
Just kidding. Make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, now let's go.
Now let's go. Before we start the video, may I give you 5 seconds to subscribe? I remember I told you I'm not editing the video, you know, bro, so. You subscribe? All right, thank you. You did it? You said, Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Jiggle bats.
Jiggle bats.
Jiggle bats. What happened there?
Natalie Allison from London, and I'm 25.
Hi, I'm JJ, 27, and is that a bit of discharge, or are you just happy to see me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I literally feel the cringe in my belly right now, bro. That's so cringe, dog. It's not even like, it's just cringe, man.
Happy to see me.
That was horrid, bro.
I should feel it in her front, you know.
You know, I can't watch this.
Man said discharge. This is unreal.
You got to know, yeah.
Is that how we started it?
Oh. Yeah, fair.
Fair, yeah.
Makes sense.
Are you okay? You're crazy. Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. Are you this video idea? Because I want to beat you like a dead horse.
Hey, our leg's nice though.
I quite like it.
Yeah. Come on.
Hey, you see what I mean, bro? Hey, she want to get the beat. She want to get the... Hey, girl, come here. Hey, girl, I want you. Hey, girl. You know what I'm saying? I'm going mad, fam.
Yeah, she's unruly.
Well done.
I need to take
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. I'd let you sit on my face more than this face mask. This guy's horrible.
Nah.
What, so he wants the yam back?
Yeah, he's on yam in the back.
The man yam body, eh, boy, Josh.
Horror show. What, so he wants the yam back?
Yeah, he's on yam in the back.
Nah, he wouldn't.
Josh.
Unlucky.
Too soon.
Then if I say what I'm going to say, I'm fucked.
But Harry just say more
I'm
beat
Toby,
you.
I'm 27 and I make my own clothes, wear my own garms, so I never get caught wearing the same outfit as anyone else.
Oh. Yeah, vile.
Wow.
I'll be honest.
Bro, imagine, dog, you dead in your yard and say, you know, you're Chunkz right now, you know, and you say, you know, you wake up, alhamdulillah. You don't know, you say, bismillah. And you don't know, keep going with the day. You understand? We practice with Dean and we say, we salah. And they say, all right, we have a video today. What we are going to do? All black, essential. And then you pull up and say, HP, you know, the same thing, bro. We're scrapping right there, bro. Fighting.
Wait, that's two big YouTubers, that's embarrassing. I'm
telling you.
That's embarrassing.
I need more. It's
need
not
more?
enough.
You see why woman can't satisfy? The nigga said he literally wears his own garms. He makes his own clothes. She said that's not enough, bro. I wear clothes every day. That's not impressive. Fuck you.
That is embarrassing.
I need more. It's
need
not
more?
enough.
Please more.
Free clothes for life and tickets to London Fashion Week.
Oh.
You tried to throw us under the bus. That's what you get.
Pain.
Hi, my name's Chunkz. I'm 24 and I got more votes than JJ to win the MOBA.
Yeah, embarrassing, I'll be honest.
Oh no.
Oh, embarrassing.
Wait, what?
Done you out like that.
He basically said he's got more clout than you.
God.
That's how he's got more.
Hey, yo,
And I think he uses JJ's Bobo and covered his name. Is it JJ's Bobo? I hope so, dog. Big up JJ. Big up KSI, dog. Nigga is fucking getting Mobos and #1 hits. Nigga was a YouTube. Bro, go back 2012 and look at KSI. That's why I'm inspired to do this shit, you know. Look at where KSI started. I look at him now. I'm not starting off as nerdy as KSI, bro, so I must can make it somewhere, bro, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe that's why I need to get more nerdy. That's probably what I need to do.
Basically said he's got more clout than you.
God.
That's how he's got more.
Hey, you know who I am, though.
I mean, sorry about that, JJ.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Simon, I'm 28, and are you a toaster? Because I'd love to take a bath with you.
What the f?
Are you okay?
Yeah, hard.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna...
You don't understand. He's trying
That
to
bar
with
was
her.
so
I get
sick, it went over my head.
Unlucky.
That's still sick, that was.
Yeah, of course, bro, she not suicidal where you been.
Right, let's go.
Hi, my name's Harry and I'm 29. Just want to ask a quick question. If I spit, would you swallow?
What do you reckon?
You direct me and I'll know.
Jano Harry, sorry, yo. The thing is, Harry Panero, him is just, if you want content when it comes on to male-female interaction, Harry Panero, bro, 100%. He is so sexual, dog, he will make any woman uncomfortable, I'm telling you. Well, uncomfortable, because they love that shit.
Yeah, well, my line ain't gonna work.
Welcome to the dark side.
Yeah, bro.
Welcome to the dark side.
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and even in a global pandemic, your smile is the most contagious thing.
Watch our face.
I'll be honest, that was sweet.
It was smooth.
That was sweet.
That ain't going viral.
I don't think you can do better.
What's it, sorry?
I don't think you can do better.
You don't think I can do better? Oh, my name's Ethan, I'm 25. Okay. Do you like sharks? Because I've got a megalodon.
Oh,
Megalodon.
Hey, the man say him have the, you know what I'm saying, the mega, hey, girl. No girl can manage this, you know. Hey, let me ever show the girl them me I work with, man. I want to know, man. Hey, I have only funds, you know, but that's for your next day.
boom!
Wordplay.
They're done.
Wordplay.
Have another one.
Have another one.
I'm not feeling it.
You know what? Let me just move because that was sick. That was sick. Do you know what? I deserve better. I'm a king. I'm a king. I deserve better, man. She didn't get a bar. She didn't get a bar, man.
Let me fix my crown.
Hi, my name's Philly. I'm 25. Bears or Jimmy's? I don't mind.
Bears or Jimmy's? I don't
So
mind.
cute.
And I said Bears or Jimmy's.
Man said best or Jimmy. What's going on?
She didn't hear what he said. He said Bears.
Did you hear what he said?
Say again. Did I
No, see, look, that just goes to show. It don't matter what I say. The presence alone.
You won.
Presence alone.
If anybody asking, bro, I watched it obviously a long time ago when it come out. But also, oh shit, my disc is almost full. Fucking hell. Fuck. Mega can finish this? I hope so. It's been a while still. No, blood. Fucking hell, fam. My name is literally saying, bro, your storage is about to done. Oh. Hold on, empty my bin. Let me empty my bin. Empty the fucking bin, blood. Empty the bin. Yeah. I can't believe we're emptying bin. Alright, no, fuck. That means I have to go edit the video. Shit, man. At 10 something. Remember, I say it's at 10 something, you know? Please.
We're the Gallists. She didn't even hear what you said. We're the Gallists.
One sec, Gallis.
It's bad that I can't even remember what you guys said.
Oh, there you go. You didn't even hear what he said.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yeah.
I didn't get the shark joke.
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine.
Make a look.
Megalodon is the biggest.
Length and strength.
Hey, yo.
The biggest
Yeah,
shark.
I'm more of a keep it average.
Oh, you like the average
keep it
size?
average.
That's what All right. I don't blame you now.
Hey, yo, it's discharge. It's natural.
Go on your own.
We're not going to acknowledge that.
Yeah, you're full swallow.
Swallow. It's just too soon. It's just too soon.
Same as me.
I've seen the future.
It's too soon.
Visionary.
Too soon.
I just hate myself.
What did you say? I can't remember.
Don't worry about it.
I remember yours. Yours was clothes.
Yeah, you don't like clothes.
I do, but
You do.
Yeah, that's what you get actually. I just clocked you tried to finish up.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, the
Go
white
deep.
thing, bro. From my previous video, bro, I said niggas like to chat shit on the white things, blood. But hey, man, this one that coming up now as well, dog. You can't say nothing, dog. She's hot, fam. She's literally sexy. Look. My God.
Goldie.
Oh, dang.
Hello, I'm Natasha. I'm 29 from London.
Oh,
I'm
Natasha.
Ethan, I'm 25. Last year I ran a marathon. This year can I run through you?
God damn.
Unreal.
Yeah, I like to say no.
He did dice roll.
I'm gonna run through you. Yo, that was a legendary line from Ethan, dog. Big up Ethan.
I'm JJ, 27, and do you want to see something cute?
Yes, show me. You're too cute. You have to be a yes.
No. The mirror's cute.
Well, I can see my reflection. That's why.
Why is this guy so...
You got a yes, bro. Just go.
What's going on? And it's the fact that she still sent him over there after him saying, no, the mirror's cute. That's mad.
I won.
You still got a yes?
You got a yes?
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Chunkz. I'm 24, and I scored the winning penalty at Soccer Aid.
Oh,
Cap.
well done.
Cap.
No, you didn't.
Hey.
Hey, yo, no, you didn't.
Hey, who's got a hat? Cap.
You never know. You missed it.
I run the clip. No, run the clip. No. Chunkz, no. No, Chunkz started, you know. Chunkz start the trend of English players missing important penalties, bro. But we're not going to talk about that.
Hey, this ain't even mine. It's Dan Fletcher's. She got robbed.
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and I think honesty is the best policy.
Wow.
Not, mentioning any penalties or anything, but...
Well, okay, then. Is that what
I
you
actually
did?
scored a penalty, so make of that what you will.
Okay.
Yeah, she don't give a front. She don't give a fuck about what anything Vic just said.
He scored, but he missed.
Tommy said he scored and he missed.
Hi,
Hi, my name's Philly. I'm 25, and my odd bends left.
Whoa, Phils, blood. What God, fam? Remember, say, man, watch this too, you know, Phils. Man, don't say you're talking to a girl right now, bro. I know that, but you have to remember, I'm a male and I'm watching the videos, bro. So you gotta keep it a little level, you know what I'm saying? Even though I still make a OnlyFans, but don't talk about that.
Hi, my name's Philly. I'm 25, and my odd bends left.
What do you say?
My wood bends left.
Anything else?
No.
I mean, yeah, you know.
My wood bends left. Fully left. Weird one, man.
Flipping real.
Yeah. All right. She must not heard properly, that's why.
Hi, I'm Toby, I'm 27, and you remind me of Man United, because I want you on top of the table.
But guess what? Manchester United just lost 5-0 to Liverpool, so right now I'm all out. Bro, if we don't bounce back with a 5-0 win in our next game, let me not even start talking about Manchester United, dog, because I'm actually getting upset thinking about this shit in my youth. Man, let me just continue the video, dog. Fuck Manchester United, dog.
I mean, you did say something nice, so I'm going to say yes.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23, and there'll only be 7 planets left when I've destroyed.
Dog, Harry is only 2 years older than me. Oh no, this was, 2 years ago, a year ago, whenever. But Harry not that much older than me, dog. Fam, man, I can do this shit. Anyways, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can do this shit, you know?
Uranus.
Whoa, bro, dog. 10 minutes, fam. Reach the anus talk already. Ah, dog.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23, and there'll only be 7 planets left when I've destroyed Uranus.
I mean,
Oh my God.
I will have to say no. Sorry.
Oh, jeez.
The white girl don't like the anal.
Damn.
Oh my God.
Hi, I'm HP like the sauce. I'm 39. Want a Clark?
Hey, but they're saying.
Bro, I'm telling you, that's how people see HP, bro. Just clotting and sex.
I'm 39. Want a Clark?
Hey, but they're saying you got 39. No, do you know what it is, Harry? It's your corners. It's the corners, Harry.
Good luck. Oh.
I'm feeling a pussy to you know, top, but it's the corners, the pushback.
Yeah, look, you fucked him now. You don't know what to
My
say.
name's Harry Pinero, 079.
I don't have a phone to write down, sorry.
You vile.
Hi. Unlucky. Hi.
Wow. So where do we go from there?
Well, then I'm not going to memorize your number, so...
So is it a yes or no for me?
Well, yes. Well, you can give me a number later.
How did you win that? That's what I'm saying. Listen, it's not all about what you say, it's how you look.
You look. There's a...
No, Simon, come here.
Hey?
Yeah, you might as well come in.
No, that mean Philly should have over there as well. The white thing love the black man there. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. You see the love talk about the whitey, but look, she likes my people, bro. So when I'm with her, she just, oh God, whitey, come here.
Yeah, you might as well come in.
I've noticed.
Simon, you might as well. Simon, you might as well come in.
Oh, shit.
What, am I not black? Yeah.
She likes the melanin.
The melanin.
Oh, yeah, she does. No, your thing bends right. Wait, this is lefty. This is lefty here.
Shall I just...
No, go on, go on.
I'm Simon, I'm 28, and are you a piñata? Because I need a blindfold before I hit that.
Okay, now you can come
Yeah, no, just go. Black Lives Matter, bro.
Yeah, he's John Bond. I'm quite like, unreal.
I'm not going to remember all of you because you were a bit all like, blah.
No way!
Forgettable.
She called you I was being you.
I just didn't get your humor, so that's why.
Yeah, I was just doing impression of
Fair play.
Yeah, I love these guys.
The black man there, the black. I can see that just make me want to go to England right now, bro. But if I go into England, I'm not going to South London, bro. But you know what I'm saying? I want to go to Natasha Akabeya Jai. Oh, you see what I mean? Oh my God, baby, just talk to me.
Hello, I'm Ali. I'm 23 and I'm from London.
Hey, Ali.
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm
Jeez.
28, and you're nothing like KSI's boxing career because you're a knockout.
I don't know who KSI.
Hey,
she's in our demographic.
It's okay.
She's in our demographic.
It's okay.
Man.
I don't mind it. It's okay.
Look at his face, bro. He minds, bro. He 100% minds.
It's all right.
What was your name?
Simon.
Hi, Simon. So can you tell me about yourself? Like, what's
Yeah.
this?
Oh,
Like,
right.
this is fun.
You got a gal, man. Chill out.
I don't know if that's part of the thing.
I saw you got a gal.
Run.
Yeah. Run. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this girl never get the full like concept of it.
Hi, excuse me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. My name's Harry.
Okay.
I'm 29.
Yeah.
Sorry you had to go through that.
Okay.
I filled up my car this morning, and I've still got space for more.
Filled up your car. You still got space.
I filled up my card this morning,
Your
and I
card?
still got space for more.
I don't actually understand the joke.
You talking about the whip? Don't you get it?
No.
I filled up my card this morning.
I'll be honest,
Still got
brother.
space-
Brother, yes, brother. Yeah, man, big YouTube Sidemen and the man just dep on clotting down, man. Go to one side, man. Entrepreneur, go left, man. Chum, man. The wood bend left. Go left, man. Wait, no, why? Don't go left, but go to one side, man.
I'll be honest.
HP, where's the sauce?
HP, where's the sauce?
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. When I first saw you, I said, mashallah. And ever since, I've been saying, inshallah.
Right, can I just start by saying, can you not walk?
Alhamdulillah, man. Jesus Christ, that girl is cute. She even have a nice little bump up on her too. Hey, Ali, what up here?
Right, can I just start by saying, can you not walk away from the conversation? Because I've had two people walk away from me.
Okay, I'm not
when
gonna-
I'm not done with the conversation, which I think is
I'll try.
very rude.
Wait, you wanted me?
Well, I didn't get a chance to get to know you guys. Just walked away
See
from
what
me.
you lot done? It's peer pressure.
Secondly, I'm not getting anyone's jokes. What was it? What did you say?
Yeah, you lot.
What have you said?
Don't worry.
I think you're very sweet.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
you're lovely.
I think you're very sweet, lovely. Dog, I love her, dog. Let me stop. Bro, I have a girlfriend, you know. I really should stop doing this. I said it. I'm going to stop caring about the sweet ones, bro, because the sweet ones don't care about me. I only care about myself and my family, the whole world family. So fuck the sweet ones, man.
Right, can we just pause and can I have you guys back? Because I actually didn't get
Okay, let's go together.
Okay, yeah.
So what did you get about my joke?
So you said something about a card and then you were doing this like movement?
I was trying to gesture what I was trying to use to fill up
Why
with.
was it like down here?
Oh, come on, use your brain, darling.
Was it a penis joke?
Yes, of course, but I'm just trying to use terminology. You didn't get it.
No, I didn't get it. Okay, right.
What about mine?
What was your joke? Oh, the KSI
yeah,
thing.
the guy back there.
And then I asked you to tell me about yourself.
Well,
You
it's a
just
Tinder
wanted to know.
profile, so
Yeah,
I can't talk more.
Okay.
It's like swipe, like.
Yeah, but the thing is with Tinder, I would look at like, you know,
Yeah, I'm not
their
interested.
job.
I'm following. Couldn't care less. Talk too much.
Yeah, this is when it just got like, whoa, Harry, calm down. The start feeling cringe in my belly, dog.
You know what? No. Harry, if I had a chewing gum, I'd give it to her. 'Cause I breast myself. If I had a chewing gum, because what I was smelling over there wasn't really.
What's he doing? It's head tight. Your head is hot.
What do you mean?
Chill out. You got to know, bro.
Leave him. He's sour because he's out. He's out.
Yeah.
I feel you. Brush your sides.
Don't touch it.
I can't wait. Ignore him. He's a troll.
Shouldn't have touched it. You got you.
I can't wait.
Nah, Harpanero, legendary.
Cover your head.
Cover the side. It's flipped. It's flapped up.
Okay. Hey, my name's Vic. I'm 25. And are you a tree? Because when I see you, all I think is leave.
Huh?
What?
Hey, you lot.
You, my friend,
I'll be honest. I'm going next.
Unreal.
All right. If I had someone like you, I'd make you my everything, my absolute world.
You fall in love again? Stop.
Man, come back with does the shoe fit I try buy the girl them white range and baiting. Philly, fuck off now, man.
You deserve the best.
Why did we go tonight? Why did we go tonight?
Oh, is that yes?
Yeah.
You deserve the best.
Thank you. So do you. That was so nice.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, baby. So I mean, dog, Ali is just Ali. Bro, I need to stop, bro. But Ali's the last one. She's the best one.
Thank you. So do you. That was so nice.
Thank you, baby.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. I recently recovered from COVID. Can I inject you with my vaccine?
Oh, whoa.
Yeah, you know what? I actually really want a vaccine. So yes.
Oh, no. What? This guy is different.
Pro-vaccine.
Ali, bro. Ali, the man wanna fuck you, Ali. I can't beat around the bush, Ali. He wants to have sex with you. What you mean vaccine, Ali? He's gonna push his penis. Anyway, Ali, stop.
This man is fucking hot singles in your area. Sign up now.
Some desperation, so yes.
Yeah, she's not well.
Bro, you see me? I love Ali, man.
Some desperation, so yes.
Yeah, she's not well. Clearly, something's wrong.
It's dying wrong.
Hi, I'm KSI.
Oh. I know you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, you did in about 4 minutes ago.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
She only knows you because you introduced yourself. Because she knows him. Because you introduced yourself.
The name holds that much weight?
Hang on a second. 4 minutes ago, she said
the
who's
name holds that
KSI?
much weight.
Hey, she knows now.
Oh.
I'm sure she heard all my tunes.
Yes.
All of them.
Hi, I'm Chunkz. I'm 24 and you're
Ali.
gorgeous.
Oh, sorry. I just interrupted.
Are you French, by the way? Because I fell for you.
Oh. Wait, it's Eiffel Tower though.
Eiffel Tower. Get on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So then that's it.
Hey, you need to. Hey, anybody were there with Ali? If anybody is with Ali, they gotta be careful, bro, because niggas look like they can fuck Ali easy, bro. Ali, what's going on, man? Someone yes?
Hey, how you gonna say that?
I'm okay. I'm
Hi, I'm Toby. I'm 27. Most couples love finishing each other's sentences. I just want to finish in you.
Oh, good one. Toby.
And the man was looked to the camera like, yeah, I did that. Gang shit, nigga.
A bit grim, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit grim.
What about making a baby is grim?
Hey!
Listen, if you're not involved that
Toby, come on, man!
Thank you, my brother, because we're about the kids around here, bro. Alhamdulillah, man.
If you're not involved that
Toby, come on, man!
Come on, man.
She said, come on.
Can I have you back?
Oh, Simon. Yeah, Simon.
She's on you.
Tell her you got a camera.
Sorry.
I'm just very nervous, okay? I'm just very nervous.
Did you walk away with him because it was like peer pressure?
No,
or were
because
you
we're an
like,
item.
Oh. You were?
We're a couple.
Oh, so why are you on Tinder? What's this about?
He has a girlfriend. He has a girlfriend.
No.
He has a girlfriend. Yeah.
Hey, 6'9".
Do you have a girlfriend?
I don't know. I do.
Yeah. Before Tali, I got stab him up. I want team.
You wouldn't want to lie to the camera. You didn't want to lie to the camera.
I'm not taking that. I realised quick.
I felt so. Sorry, what's your name, first of all?
Me? Toby.
I didn't like the statement. I thought that was very presumptuous, so that was a no. You were a little bit rude. You just walked away from me. Couldn't handle me chatting.
Sorry. Someone's talking here. Who was rude? Start again. We didn't hear. Sorry, start again. Who was rude?
Sorry, what's your name?
Harry.
Harry.
Yeah.
He can't handle an intelligent lady. He didn't like me talking.
You let me know when she comes in there.
Hooray, man. Oh
this is
my
helping.
God. Dog. All right, let me stop. Sweet ones. Mwah, I love you.
Man's in love again.
Wow. Bro. This is vitamins and Callaloo.
Hi, my name is Amore. I'm 21 and I'm
She's
from East
my
London.
Hi, my name's Philly. I'm 25. Why don't you sit on my lap and we talk about the first thing that pops up?
Old school.
Reused.
Yeah, we'll go, yeah.
Yes.
Direct and honest. Google.
Eco-friendly recycling and that.
Google.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. I'm here to chew bubble gum and scran ass, and I'm out of gum.
No.
Ouch.
Not scratted ass.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. Your breasts look heavy. Do you need me to hold them for you? Sorry.
Harry, come here.
What the fam? Bro, there's no way I can ever say that in my life.
Yeah, bro.
I'm saying breasts look heavy, can I hold them for you? What?
Even you didn't believe that. Started off halfway through.
Hi, I'm JJ, 27, and there's something gorgeous about your eyes. Oh, that's it.
Me.
My reflection.
I didn't like that.
No.
Gang.
I do know, and he's still looking at himself.
Turn around, bro.
That was grim.
That was disgusting. My name's Vic, I'm 25, and is your name Trigonometry? Because I have no interest.
Bro. No, fam, my name is not I'm changing my name now, bro. My name is Trigonometry now, bro. Welcome back to the friends to the face. I hear the voice. They don't know, say Trigonometry. Pon the Trigonometry. What you mean is your name Trigonometry? Nah, fam. But yeah, my name is Trigonometry. From now on, bro, yes, we have an inside joke. All of my niggas that's watching this right now, type Trigonometry in the comments, and on my other videos, call me Trigonometry. We go know why, and we're not going to tell the other niggas why. You understand? Trigonometry. That's my name now, nigga. Trigonometry.
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and is your name Trigonometry? Because I have no interest in doing you.
Oh.
Why are you coping up yourself?
That was mad still.
Hey.
Oh, my God. What is...
And was that like the best?
I'm all right.
It didn't even try.
I'm sorry about that. I'm Toby, I'm 27. I have to ask, orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice.
Aye, he's gone. He's gone. Yeah, Toby's an apple juice guy. You know, he loves apple juice. Toby doesn't drink liquor, he drinks apple juice. As a big man, I find that weird. But, you know, he's Christian, so.
That's fair. Hey, I'm Ethan, I'm 25. Do you want kids?
Yeah, eventually.
Shotgun first.
Yes, sure.
Ethan, my guy. Gang. I like what she'll say. Yeah, go on.
Do you want kids?
Yeah, eventually.
Shotgun first.
Yes, sure.
Yes, sure. Yes, sure. Yeah, man.
Hi, my name's Harry Panera. I'm 29. I wish I gave you hot chocolate, because you are what you drink.
I didn't like that look, bro. I didn't like that.
I did not like that. I don't think she liked that one.
Yeah, I don't think she liked
I'm
that.
still giving the chance.
You don't think she liked what? Sidemen!
Oh, shit. Are you lost? Because heaven's a long way from here.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Hey, he's going for it.
Gang. 4 for 4, Jay-Z. I can be your Jay-Z. Chunkz is the Jay-Z. 4 for 4, Jay-Z. Bro, I have a problem, bro.
I'm trying to get together today.
Yeah.
Toby, because he just said, because I like
Apple
orange
juice,
juice,
gang
not
for
apple juice, so no thanks. You made an inappropriate comment.
Yeah, sorry about
my
that one.
chest.
I do apologise.
No thanks. You just made like up your own kind of arse comment, so I was like, well, no.
I will be
Oh.
Not mine though, so it is what it is.
Hey, our belly flat still.
I don't even really remember your line.
Yeah, I just said that I was here to chew bubblegum and
Oh yeah,
eat
and
arse.
scran ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a no. You didn't even try. What?
I'm still trying to recover from the last one.
What happened?
I said I didn't have a girlfriend for a second, so.
Yeah. Okay. Well.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you also just weren't interested, so I was like, well, I guess I'll reject
That's his
that.
attitude today, I'm afraid.
Awful attitude, so I was like, well, it is what it is.
Violence.
Thank you.
Violence.
Oh, hello.
CGM.
Hello.
Okay.
And you know, say, really and truly, she's the girl I like the least out of all the girls there before. I love Natasha. I love Ali. I love Mawana a while ago. I forgot her actual name, but she looked like Mawana. You know what I'm saying? And this girl, she's technically the most put together, but I like her the least. You understand? So, hey, man, I don't give a fuck about this sweet one, though. So we're making progress, boys. Not all of them get to us, just a small number of them.
Yeah, she's sophisticated.
Trying.
She's so sophisticated.
Hi, I'm Purdy. I'm from North London.
Purdy.
And I'm 28.
Hello, I'm
Purdy,
Harry,
look
I'm
boring.
23. Are you sure you're a muggle? Because that arse is magical.
First time someone's ever complimented my house, so yes.
Hi, I'm Toby. I'm 27, and fun fact about me, I have 70 hobbies. 69 and fishing.
Wow. I'm ready to throw up gag size and shit, but I talk about 69. Let me just move on.
What, young fact?
Last bit again.
She's not having that.
69
Yeah.
and fishing.
She's not having that.
And
Fishing.
You know when you have to
Yeah, when you explain it.
I'm so confused.
You see what I mean, dog? Purdy, she's not the one, bro. She don't get it. Purdy's not the one. She's Purdy. She's kind of purdy, but she's not the one.
She doesn't get fishing.
I'm Ethan, I'm 25, and I'm no dentist, but I can give you a fill-in.
Good gang.
What a solid
Hello.
PYC.
I'm sorry.
It's cool, bro. That was a good line. I'll be honest.
Yeah, man. Purdy's not the one, man.
Every single round.
Man, she's saying no to the lit ones, man.
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and are you the sun? Because I prefer if you stayed 93 million miles away from me.
Bombo. No. Say that again. I want to hear that again, blood. What?
I've got quite a few feelings, to be fair.
She didn't even
You
know.
know, I've got quite a few feelings, to be fair. Purdy, shut the fuck up, blood. I don't give a fuck what you have, man. Shut up.
Fishing is, bro.
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and are you the sun? Because I prefer if you stayed 93 million miles away from me.
No.
Are you okay?
And he walks up like it's the weakest link.
I quite love that he doesn't try.
Team talk.
No, that's probably what I should do, dog. Go on this shit, man, and just style the girl them, dog. So my girl knows, man, I'm a loyal dog. Let me not say that. I'm a loyal man.
No, but it's not tried. He just insults me. It's tried.
Guys, if you don't mind.
Sorry.
Hi, my name's Harry Panera. I'm 29. I like apple pie, but I'd love to see you cream pie.
Oi. No, Harry, come on, man.
That's disgusting.
Harry, that's
It's
nasty.
so serious. No.
Ooh.
Damn.
The thing is, Harry Panera don't have a baby mama and everything already. Why time you do this? That, like, fam, Harry Panera is smoke squad.
100%
Licked up and down.
I love them.
Hi, my name's Chunkz. I'm 24 and I like to sing. Fly me to the moon.
Oh, he's singing.
Biggie
Let me
duets.
play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
I've heard him sing.
So
I need to go over there and sing. Send me to the moon. Let me see what the stars. And see like what life is like. Jupiter and Mars. You know what I'm saying? I can do a little thing still. I don't know the song that he's singing, but you know what I'm saying? I sing Jupiter and Mars, yeah.
Jupiter and Mars.
I've heard him sing.
That's
That's
I held it with Biggie Duet as well. That's nice.
Hey, you're cold.
You know what? I'm gonna start losing my purpose now.
I'm a JJ.
I'm JJ, 27, and obviously Chunkz can sing, but I can rap.
go.
No, dog. No, it's not. Dog, I should have known from the first time I watched this that wasn't going to work, fam. Me watching it now, I can 100% tell she's not going to like this.
Got a lot of time for the one that I'm
Watching.
watching. Amazon Prime if you want to get something.
Something.
No
Oh, you lot are
time for my
violating.
heart
No.
beat pumping.
I don't like it.
None of them pumping. Got plenty of views.
You lot are violating. I'm supporting. You're violating. You're violating.
They're all laughing at you. I'm supporting. That looks sarcastic, though.
Okay, all right, let me try again.
You're violating. Yeah, them fuck up theme thing. Him thing fuck up, dog. Just low it, dog. Just go to the no, bro.
All right, let me try again.
Try again.
All right,
Okay. Let him go.
I'm JJ, 27, and you have the perfect face. For radio, but.
So he was trying to get over here.
Yeah, you know what?
Trying to get over here the whole time.
Yeah, fuck it,
If
dog.
you stuck with the rapping, you might have made it the other side.
Yeah, shit.
Hi, I'm Simon, I'm 28, and do you want 12 inches of dick tonight? Because we could have sex 4 times.
Wow, well done. Because that's where I'm at with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's where I'm at with it. 3 inches.
That's a good one.
I like that. There you go.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. If the guy behind me gets a maths question right, can we say yes? English?
You tried to stitch me up, you know?
He tried to kill you.
You know you tried to kill me.
He knows weight today, you know.
The thing is, it was supposed to be a big moment in it, you know, because Josh knows that Philly doesn't know math questions, bro. Josh did his research, but he fucked up the delivery, man. Josh, you can't do that, man.
Stitch me up, you know?
He tried to kill you.
You know you tried to kill me.
He knows weight today, you know.
Billy Maths. Everyone knows me and Maths. Problem. But I ain't got to do the maths one now.
That was
Alright, keep it down, please. Hola, mucho gusto. Me llamo Andrés Felipe Valencia Valencia.
Oh,
he's done that one. Yo te miro, se me corta la respiración. Cuando tú me miras, se me solo el corazón. Sí, yo hablo español. Sí. ¿Tú hablas español? Bien.
It's that one off.
¿Qué?
Hola, mucho gusto. ¿habla español? No speaking the English very well.
Very well.
Muy grande, 9 inches.
You know what I'm saying?
9.
Okay, cool. And it bends left.
Gang.
Oh. Yours is rude.
I fucked up.
Yep.
His rapping was dry.
You don't know what fishing is.
Hey, yo, do you want to fight? You in the ring. No. I don't mind if they can drop me some nice peas. I don't mind.
I can't remember what you said. Fillings.
Yeah, dentist.
Yeah, I don't
That
need
was
any
good.
more.
It was
I'm
good.
actually really scared of going to the dentist, so.
Oh, that's
I can make that a better experience. My feelings are just...
No one even heard it.
I ain't got another line. I'm just saying I can make it a better experience for you.
Like veneers.
I can make... I
Just
don't
say
care that
yes.
much, you know?
Bro, just say yes.
Just say yes. Yes, veneers, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
That's all you have to do. I just think...
Gang. I know he didn't get it because she was like veneers, and he's like, "What? What are you talking about?" He was ready to leave because he's like, "Man, this bitch dumb as fuck, bro." But you gotta stay in there, bro. You gotta stick it out.
It was nice.
At the beginning, I think you were
tried
being
to show you a
nice.
different language, a different culture.
Yeah, different shapes and sizes.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Darling, I'll tell you one thing. You're missing out on a 9-inch bending left.
Beckham? That was good.
I said Beckham.
What did you think of Harry?
You were just so serious, and you gave me the look up and down like I'd said something awful.
I was looking at your brilliant swag, to be honest. You came here looking very fantastic, and I just wanted to leave something in you.
Hey. Look at her, she loved it. She went,
of course she does.
Stop it.
And what do you think of KSI and his rapping?
If you'd rapped and just stuck with the rapping, we might have been somewhere.
We told him that for
When
years.
he said rapping, who laughed? When you said rapping, someone laughed.
Top 10. Top 10. What was up?
Talk to them.
Top 10.
What charts?
Continuously.
Yeah.
Hey, round of applause for KSI. Top 10 continuously. Have some manners.
Don't know.
It's not easy.
Come on.
That's quite an even spread right here.
Yeah.
4, 5.
Can I ask you a quick question? Out of all of us, which one would you really take home? If you had to?
For a dirty sesh, like just
dirty
one. Quick, you're thinking too much. Just quick,
Okay,
quick.
no, but purely because my niece apparently really likes you, Harry.
Oh, okay.
But she's like your biggest fan from New Zealand, so.
Wait, so
there
you would
go.
fuck him? What's going on? What's going on?
Do you know how funny he is?
She filming? Like, yo.
Thanks very much. Thank you.
Personally, I'd go with the serenading because I thought that was very romantic.
Jeez, come on then.
Chunkz with him.
Not a top 10, but we'll take it.
Not top 10, but we'll take it. Thank you.
Yeah.
What, she Chunkz?
Yeah.
Well, go on, show me hate. Go on.
Chunkz, would you clap?
No, I
Would you clap?
tomorrow.
Would you clap tomorrow, yeah?
Tomorrow.
Say no more first.
What's on today?
Nah, today I'm busy.
Nah, bro, you're Muslim, man. That's halal.
Is that then?
There she is.
There she is.
Welcome.
Speaking of keeping it halal, bro, I watched a video of one liquor youth fam, and the guy was like, yeah, what's going on, liquor youth? So you into girls and that? He's like, nah, bro, I keep it halal, bro. No girls in that, man. I was like, yeah, fam, keep it halal, blood.
Wakey, wakey.
Hi, my name's Amy. I'm 27 from Surrey.
You see what I mean by the white ones, them, man? Amy, don't disappoint Amy, please.
There she is.
Welcome.
Wakey, wakey.
Hi, my name's Amy. I'm 27 from Surrey.
Hi, I'm JJ, 27, and yeah, I guess you are proof that God can make mistakes. Want me to fix it?
Holy sh...
I'm done.
No.
You want to fix
make
it?
mistakes.
I'll fix
This guy's
her.
He didn't say that.
Wallahi, he said
Yeah,
That's
wallahi,
right.
you couldn't save that.
What do you say? You're proof that God can make mistakes.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. Do you drink soda? Because you look so delicious.
Oh, no.
As cheesy as that was, yeah.
Come on.
I was just about to say, as corny as that was, he delivered it, dog. So, you know.
I'm Vic, I'm 25, and girl, you're a 10. On the pH scale, because you look kind of basic.
Oh, no.
I don't get Vic.
Right, Vic's on smoke tonight. Vic is on smoke tonight.
I wanted a boyfriend anyway, not a son.
Let's go!
You gotta leave. No, you can't stay here. You gotta leave.
No! That was sick.
Hi, my name's Chunkz. I'm 24. Can you read this?
Essentials.
That's what you are to me.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's great. This is a great day for me today, I'll be honest.
All right, well done, man.
Shut up, man.
Well done.
She wouldn't even lips you to 100.
Why
I was like, she wouldn't even lips you to 100.
All right, well done, man.
Shut up, man.
Well done.
She wouldn't even lips you to 100.
Why
No, that's true.
Hey, yo.
I want to bang him in his mouth.
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm 28, and are you from the Philippines? Because I'd love to fill you with my peen.
Yeah.
Yep.
Dirty.
Yeah, makes sense.
Dirty.
I'm Toby. I'm 27. Do you know what looked good on you? Me.
Disagree.
Well, you don't like the black man, them. Amy, mind me, I have to take back my white girl ratings for you, know.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. And just like my slippers in the masjid, you stole my heart, and I'll never get it back.
What?
What?
I don't know what that means really, but I'll let you go that way anyway.
You see, because you like the white man, them. So, all right, Amy, I gotta take back my card, baby. I'm sorry. Amy, you're not the one anymore. Oh, no, lies. She took Chunkz. So now, Amy, you get it back, Amy.
Legendary one.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm 25. You look like you're suffering from a lack of vitamin me.
I'm good.
Take
supplements.
That made me a bit.
That was worse than my one.
Do you know what? We've got to that point. We're past the halfway point.
She don't like you, Harry, I'm telling you.
You what?
She don't like you. I can tell by the way she looked at you. She don't like you.
Do you like me?
Yeah.
You would just
You're rude.
speed this up and just direct me.
Yeah, go on then.
Gang.
I appreciate you so much.
She felt sorry for you, that's why you're there.
No, this is based on looks.
It's based on looks.
Cringe.
Oh, Lord.
You're throwing your mate under the bus, so nah. And
The other two, I can't really remember what you said.
Oh my God.
Why were they?
Dog, thing is, Amy is just on smoke, bro. Amy is one of those girlfriends where you have to watch what you're saying when you're arguing with her because she'll bring up your dead mum and be a thing that I would have to thump Amy in her face a couple times, dog, swear.
Same hair with
No violence against women. Stop.
shotgun.
So you woke up feeling, on volts.
The dot.
What did you, man, say? Why were you cringe?
Yours was a fucking soda line.
Yeah.
And it worked.
It worked.
I'm on here, bro.
Guys, talk to me.
Can't hear you, bro.
Oh, she likes tall guys.
That's
what
guys
it is.
except Simon. Yeah, Simon. Fill it with my peen.
And that's weird because you only like black girls as well, Chunkz. So that's mad weird.
Wow.
Next one. Go next one.
See him, I try to throw him under the bus.
I love all kind of gal. Hey, exposed. I love all kind of gal. You chatting shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm doing? That's a sour move.
Yeah.
That's sour. I like white gal as well.
Yeah.
That's sour, man. I love white girl. Yes. Who's this? Oh, God. Bye.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm 23 and I'm from Hertfordshire.
Oh, LA. Hello, LA from Hertfordshire. You have my heart, but don't share, please. Oh, my God. I'm sorry, bro, but Ellie is beautiful. Right here, so she look kind of like a meme. Let me screenshot that real quick. Screenshot that shape, nigga. But yeah, Ellie, you look sexy.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm 23 and I'm from Hertfordshire.
Hi, I'm Chunkz. I'm 24. How many siblings do you have?
2.
Yeah, I just can't wait to meet my in-laws. When can I meet them? When can I meet them, do you reckon?
Yeah, tonight. They're actually around tonight.
Yeah? Can we meet
Yeah,
them?
go on then.
Oh,
Is this a record or something?
What does he say?
This is a record.
People always say with 100% in the Tinder videos.
I'm not going to try to go for 100%. I'm moving nuts after. Don't worry. Thank you very much. I'll meet them after, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sweet.
beautiful. Lovely.
Hi,
Oh, she's
I'm Tony,
beautiful.
I'm 27. Just wondering if you can swim.
Yeah?
Okay, I need someone to teach me how to swim. I'm trying to learn the breaststroke.
Breaststroke!
Oh!
How tall are you?
Oh, no.
Not tall enough.
Wow! You need to go.
Yeah.
I didn't say anything. I might like short people.
I'm going that way.
You didn't wait for me to answer. I might like dwarfs. You never know.
Yeah. Take those heels off and start talking. No. Take those heels off and let's have a chat.
This is your fault. I told you I don't want to do these videos, bro. I told you.
I'm seeing
I don't want to do these
that's
videos.
3 inches of confidence right there. I'm seeing 3 inches of confidence.
I like gingers though, so it's all right. So you can get.
Do you know what? I deserve better than being referred to as a dwarf. So hold that.
Fam, I love Ellie even more. Ellie's on smoke. I love you, Ellie.
Yeah, she said yeah. All right, sorry. Oh, that was my dying mum. She hates it when I lie. Yeah.
You can't say.
I'm Simon, 28. How are you?
Good. Go on then.
He said that was his dying mum on the phone.
What did he say?
She said
He
yeah.
said, how are you? He said, go on then.
He's
What's up from that?
Oh, hello.
Hi, I'm Harry. I'm 23. You look fabulous for your age.
I mean, you're really sweet, but you look like my ex-boyfriend.
Oh, God.
No one looks like Road to Show, don't lie.
So no one looks like Road to
Hi,
Show,
I'm
no
Josh.
lie.
I'm 28. Are you a sea lion? I can see you lying on my bed tonight. Yeah.
You saved it, go on then.
Hey, go.
That was close. That squeeze.
Hi, my name's Harry Panera. I'm 29. You look like your pussy farts.
Hey.
Fam, HP, blood. And you can tell when she heard it, she felt it in her pussy, you know, that's why she's reacting like that.
You look like your pussy farts.
Hey.
You look like a pussy, man.
You're
It's a good thing, though. It's outrageous. Hi, I'm Philly. I'm 25. I'm very different to Harry. I really want to get to know you and don't know.
You don't like white gal?
Huh?
You said it on the way here.
I saw you said you like black gal.
Yeah.
So that's what
You said you like girls with big,
you said
juicy
you never cut for
back-offs.
white,
That's
Joe.
what you said. No disrespect to you, darling, but that's
You're
what you said.
beautiful. I can't wait for you, but he said he doesn't like white
I
girls.
don't like to see my friend lie like that.
Yeah, that's not right. He's already started the relationship. Yeah. Fuck you. How about that, you pagan? I forgot.
I said I told you on the way here. You lot are liars. No, you lot are liars.
It's like Doobie.
Yeah, you lot are liars. Love white women, by the way.
I love Ellie, by the way. I need to stop, bro. I have a girlfriend. Stop.
You lot are liars. Love white women, by the way.
I'm JJ, 27, and could you just turn to your side real quick?
Hey, you're a dickhead. You're a dickhead.
I'm going home. I'm going
See,
home.
look, even though we had a debacle, I'd never do that to you. I'd never do that to you. All right, hello, my name's Ethan, I'm 25. And like I said, I'd never do you like that.
Go on then.
Gang.
She deserves it. She called me a dwarf.
You know, the game's the game. The game's the game.
I'm sorry. Do you want another try?
No! I deserve better! I know the cat me wish.
To be fair, some of them I didn't actually say no to. I didn't say no to you, didn't I? No, it's fine.
No, you're good.
I mean, some of the jokes, some of them just aren't funny, are they?
Like who? Who's in particular?
Yeah, let's be direct, come on.
Yours.
It wasn't a joke, it was an observation.
To be fair, the rest of your, I was a bit harsh on you because it's not your fault you don't like my ex. So you can go. Actually, you can go over there.
Gang.
We're the same age. It's fine.
Well, I mean, tomato, tomato.
Big man, she called me a dwarf and you're doing this. I'm not.
Hey, yo, thank you.
Hello.
Ooh, yes.
Bro, this is helpful. Wow.
Yes.
Wow, I'm actually taking you serious.
Yes.
This is, yeah.
Hi, I'm Chloe Kibble. I'm 25 and I'm from London. No, I'm not. I'm 24.
Oh my God.
My birthday's in May, so 6th.
I'll buy your bathroom.
Okay,
You look shy.
your breath stinks.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm going to tell you something about yourself now. My name's Harry Panera, I'm 29, and I'm here to do my bit for the community. So I'm here to give you some chewing gum.
Why?
Get out of here.
Oh, you said I might stink.
That was...
That's some gum, bro. You know, you're unruly today.
Yeah, that hurt,
Not
bro.
right, bro.
Do you know what it is? I'm here to do my bit for the community.
Yeah, no, you're rude, man.
How dare she talk to my friends like that with that small mouth?
Hey.
But I love how she's laughing to dog. That is upset, so she's cool.
His face is hilarious, isn't it? Look at his face.
You know you've been there a lot. You've been there a lot.
With that smell mouth.
You need to smell, man.
Hi, I'm Josh, I'm 28. My girlfriend said to pick the prettiest girl from today and ask her for a threesome. So I'll wait for the next girl.
I didn't even say no. I'm fine.
See, on the freeze. He's crazy.
Now, I'll be honest, you seem
I
like
like
a lovely girl, man. Love to get to know you. My name's Philly.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, you're not in the best position now. Someone was rude to you, the last two people. I just reckon out of love, let me go through. And me and you can talk about... I'll be honest, look at me. Am I attractive?
Wow.
She done you dirty, my boy.
Phils, never, bro. Never you would take that from nobody. Chloe, fuck you. You're not nice anymore. You're dead. You're dead thing. You look ugly. You got crabs. You stink. Pussy.
No, you deserve better. You deserve better.
Nah, fuck you, Chloe.
I'm Ethan, I'm 25. Your legs are like an Oreo. I want to split them apart and eat the good bit in the middle.
I think you're going to reach my ankles.
Oh. Come here. Just join. Just welcome. It's an elite
Yeah,
members
man.
club
Fuck
over
Chloe,
here.
man.
The short Donny's about
It's quite easy to get in.
Nah, man. Fuck Chloe, man. Chloe ain't it, man. She's not it, bro.
I don't reach your ankles, fam.
I'm JJ, 27, and how tall are you?
5'10".
5'10"? What the fuck?
I'm never going to survive. I'm not going to survive.
Also, I'm KSI.
Oh, what?
Whoa, what? Am I shit?
Lies. She knows the piece. She knows the piece.
She knows he's a millionaire.
She knows he's a millionaire.
She wants to feature on one of your songs.
She'd be dumb not to pick him.
Yeah.
I'd fucking pick him.
It's KSI,
Hello,
man.
I'm Harry, I'm 24. Are you a Pokemon? Because I'd love to Pikachu naked.
He's the best! I can't lie, Harry's the best! Yeah, no, he is the best!
My name's Vic, I'm 25, and you kind of remind me of Newton's laws. Not perfect, but good enough.
Oh, she let her! Wait!
What?
She knows you made millions as well.
I offered to make sure your mouth smells good.
No, you were insinuating my mouth smelled bad.
Oh.
You were doing something.
Even though you could dance.
Hey, Philly said, bro, I didn't even know you could dance. That was funny.
Even though you could dance.
That was hard.
Yeah, guys, please, just a bit of respect.
Guys,
Stop wearing what I'm wearing.
Yeah, you copied me. Hi, my name's Chunkz, I'm 24, and if you swipe right, I'll swipe my card at Selfridges. Wallahi.
Wallahi.
We can go, I got black card.
Oh, he's done it. He's done it.
Wait. What did she say?
My name's Chunkz, I'm 24, and if you swipe right, I'll swipe my card at Selfridges. Wallahi.
Oh, what about Nando's?
We can go, I got black card.
Oh, he's done it. He's done it.
He's done it.
100%, my mate.
Thank you very much, brother. Yes.
Oh, what, Nando's?
Hey, I'm Simon, I'm 28, and how much to bring all of us to the yes side?
Is it like she did style Philly and that, but the way her energy, I can tell she's a cool girl, you know what I'm saying? But she still style Philly, so fuck you, Chloe.
Hey, I'm ready now, though.
To the what side?
I'm ready now, though.
She said yes for you, fam.
I've got some real issues with this. No, it's cool because I've reached your ankles. Enjoy that. I hope you have a great time.
I've got a foot fetish.
What's that for?
What size should you?
Who sucks toes? I swear that's how it's dead feet.
What size should you?
Oh, the tall man.
Oh, no, she got good feet. That's a little bit. Yeah, you got good feet. And you got a lovely face, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely stunning.
Honestly, you got a lovely face.
Why can you sit down the face?
Dragon.
No, I'm not on all that. You look sweet, and I'm on clout in this shit, I'll be honest. I'm trying to go for as many things as possible, so there's no point. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do that to you. You seem like a good girl.
At least he's honest.
Unless you ask.
Bro, why is it keep... I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it, fam.
It's the weight.
She's not
I didn't
inclined.
fucking touch
Say
it.
that again? You reckon she's not inclined?
No, she don't look like a client to me. Looks like a good girl.
Are you on casual sex, basically, trying to ask?
No.
You see that?
Yeah, it's mad how you know casual. You see when they go,
you see me, bro? That answer should be immediately, bro. Even the thought of casual sex should just immediately be no. The fact that you have to be like, means say, you've done it a couple of times, Chloe. Don't cap.
You're there. Do what you want to do. Do you?
Bend to the left, man.
I feel you one. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello.
Wait. So after she said casual sex, then he went in. Matting. Big up Philly. Oh, so Chloe, you're good then. All right, who's this one?
It's Louise. I'm 27 and I'm from London.
Louise, you're just so short and so nice, Louise. Oh my God, you're just so petite. Jesus. Jeez Louise, literally, bro. Like, Jesus. Anyway, let's continue.
Hi Louise, I'm Toby, 27. Just wondering if you have a yard sale anytime soon, because I've got some junk that hasn't been touched in years.
Oh,
That's the
Louise.
Years.
Wait, Louise.
Years, you know.
That's the police coming to shut you down.
Years.
Louise, that was nice, you know.
Hi, I'm Simon, I'm 28, and do you want some really great sex? Yeah? Oh, okay. That was, there was a punchline, but I'll take it.
Was it me?
Bro!
No. Oh. What?
You did pause. You paused. So I was...
I'll take it, I'm here.
Hi, I'm Josh, I'm 28. Roses are red.
Wait. So that's how we need to get the girl them nowadays, man. Them ask them if they want some really good sex, man. Them. I think we know what we need to do. Let's hit Instagram, bro, and hit them DMs, bro. I'm kidding, bro. I told you, don't give a fuck about the sweet ones, because they don't give a fuck about you. Stay on your grind, bro, and stay in school, alhamdulillah.
I'll take it, I'm here.
Hi, I'm Josh, I'm 28. Roses are red. You're as cute as a duck. Let's go on a date, and then we can cuddle.
Yes.
Yes!
Right. Oh, God, this is...
I'm Vic, I'm 25. My ex-girlfriend said I'd never do better than her. Do you want to prove her right?
Prove her right.
Oh, wow.
Goodness me, Vic.
Wait.
Vic. You know he's an assassin.
Assassin. Bro, they assassin, bro. You see, bro, AG lives in my head so much. I hear regular words, I think of Active Gang. I hear assassin, I think of Broad Day. Bro, Broad Day have a no hook with T-Scam and Bugs and Absav. Madness.
I'm 25, I'm from London, and I wrote you a poem. Hey Louise, you'd look better on your knees, say yes please.
I thought I was going to work.
That's pretty good. I like Ethan. Yeah. Move as well, bro.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. Are you a pickaxe? Because I want to make you mine.
Shall I say yes?
No, that one's
Shall I say yes? Shall I say yes? I took. How did I tell you, bro? From the way him walk up, I can tell she was going to say yes to him, bro. How did I know? Because I'm a genius, bro. I'm a fucking genius.
How cold he is.
Yeah, Harry.
Because I want to make you mine. He's sick.
I'm KSI.
She doesn't know what KSI is.
That can't work, not 2 times.
Of course it works.
Do not let that work.
Some manners for him. Of course, if you don't say yes.
Yes, okay, yes, okay.
No!
There we go.
Told you, I'm KSI.
Hey, these two coming out twist and bolts. You're coming out twist and bolts right now. Look at you. You man going out twist and bolts. Look.
From KSI to twist and bolts. He's violent.
Hi, my name's Chunkz. I'm 24, and I can tell just by looking at you, Mum's gonna love me.
Oh.
When you mention mums and love.
Beautiful, it's lovely.
Twist.
Yeah, Philly, I'm just saying.
I might change it up.
I feel you should be a little bit worried right now, bro. Look at the size.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, my name's Harry Panera, I'm 29. By your decisions you've made, I deserve better.
Hey.
Whoa!
Whoa. Hey, HP, man. Man, them a run down for it. HP, blood.
Pagan. If he does the line that he said he's going to use, please don't say the one he said.
Man, I think he's going to be like, Av. Meaty. Him I gonna say either Av or Meaty.
I'm Philly, I'm 25, I'll be honest. Clapped.
Clap! Louise, I'm so sorry you said that to you, baby. Look at your face. You look so pretty. No, man. You look so precious. No. Jeez, Louise, I'm sorry you said that to you, baby girl. I'm so sorry.
Clapped.
Jesus. Fucking Christ.
Alright, do you know what? You're a dickhead. I think you're doing.
Why though?
You're a dickhead.
Why though?
You're a dickhead, man. You're a dickhead. You're
Why?
a dickhead.
Oh
You
my
cringe.
God.
No, you're a dickhead.
The cringe, bro.
Oh man.
I
The cringe, bro.
Go say sorry, bro.
Go apologise. Go and apologise.
say sorry.
That's how you know Harry Panera is funny in a dog. He's doing that little Kim fuckery, bro.
Hey, remember.
Go say sorry, bro.
Go apologise. Go and apologise.
say sorry. Philly, say sorry, fam.
He might say clapped again.
I'm sorry. I'm clapped, not you.
I mean it, bro.
I'm really, really sorry.
Is it yes or no?
I don't believe you.
Look, I'm really sorry.
No.
Good effort.
She is so pretty.
Really sorry.
No.
Good effort.
Well done, boy.
Start with me, please.
Well, at least you apologised. So
Yeah, 'cause I didn't-
respect that.
you know I didn't mean that.
apologised, even though you didn't mean it.
Look, first and foremost, I'd never come here and do that to you. It wasn't the real me. I'd never, not to you.
But I'd never, not to you.
Me.
You took yourself out, didn't you?
Because of look at the state of them.
Joking,
Fight me, bro.
Well, you never gave me a chance, so yeah.
Never gave me a chance. What,
How about our good friend Ethan?
Yeah.
No, yours was too far. It was too far.
What did you say again?
Do you know what? I don't even remember. It's big, I don't care, man.
Actually, yeah. For the rest of you, I think you were too far. That's why it went too far.
Hi guys.
Whoa.
Black is beautiful.
Hi, I'm Nandi. I'm 25 from London.
Hey, I'm Ethan. I'm 25. I'm from London. Let's play
Not gonna lie, I thought the other girl was the last one. I was getting ready to the outros and beer thing.
Carpenter. First we'll get hammered, then I'll nail you. Oh, I flopped it.
Oh,
do you know what? I ain't eating mental lapse.
I feel your pain, bro. I really do.
Man,
I really feel your pain.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 23. Did you fall from heaven? Because it looks like you landed on your face. Oh, sorry.
No.
Sorry.
Man said, yo, the man said sorry instantly, bro. Like the man knew she was on smoke, bro.
Sorry, I thought I can do it. I can do it.
I'm Toby, I'm 27, and honestly, I'm just here to see what Chunkz, Harry, and Philly have to say. So I'm gonna wait over there. I'm on you. I'm watching you. No, come on.
We're supposed to be.
You're the teacher. Do it.
That's not right though.
You're good lines, yeah?
I can't lie, not the greatest.
Yeah, you got to
That's
deliver.
under the bus business.
No, you got to deliver.
Hey, my name's Vic. I'm 25, and if I can guess your favourite colour, will you swipe right?
No.
Aye.
No.
You know,
She
don't
looked
worry
at me
about it.
that. Aye, that was sauce. Aye, that was sauce. She woke up and chose violence.
Did you hear the way she?
Violence.
She has to say yes.
What are you doing?
Wow.
I'm KSI.
KSI.
It has to work.
Shall I go?
I say
Yes.
yes for the
Yes.
dancing style.
Okay.
KSI.
Of course, it has to work.
I say yes for the dancing
Yeah,
style.
bro. Once they walk up with the confidence, bro, I'm telling you, it's very hard for them to say no, bro. Just confidence, bro. Our world over here on the Cogency X channel and in the Our World family, we preach confidence. Y'all niggas need to be confident.
Okay.
Everyone knows he's got bread.
That's what it is. When you got money.
At this point, have you clocked now as well?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
actually
okay.
realizing how famous I am.
You gotta love him.
I go, minute, try it.
I'm Mini Minter.
Don't worry, Simon, I know who you are, cause big up Mini Min on MM7 Games and M7 Education and betting.
One day. It's okay, we'll get there.
One day.
Oh, wait.
No? That was the darts.
No,
you
it's not, bro.
did. That was what you did.
Bro, you ain't me though.
You didn't say you ain't me though.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. I spent 11 grand on Pokemon cards the other night.
I don't really care about the money, but I like your beards.
Come on.
Gang. Alright. But you see, he was trying to flex the Pokemon cards, bro. All she heard was 11 grand, you know. She don't even know where you spend 11 grand on. She just know you spend 11 grand.
I hate to be this. Let up.
This is
one segment I paid money for.
Hi, my name's Chunkz, I'm 24, and can we play heads and tails? So if it goes on heads, you swipe right. Go to tails, you swipe right.
Right, try me.
Yeah?
Man said, heads you swipe right, tails you swipe right. I should have even checked.
That's heads.
Do you know what? You're cute, guys.
Hey, gang.
I came here for that.
Yeah, well, I won.
She wasn't even listening.
You weren't listening?
She wasn't even listening.
She weren't listening? She was. You heard what I said, right?
Yeah, of course I heard it.
Heads and tails.
But he's
Which
cute.
one was swipe right?
But he's cute. That's why.
He's cute. So
I'm cute.
He's
Facial hair as well, bro.
And I got a bit of
Speaking about heads and tails.
Hey, next one.
Speaking about heads and tails, my name's Harry. I'm 29. If you ever gave me head, I'll never tell.
get going.
That was good.
Just
I thought it was
me.
good.
Damn. If you don't appreciate art.
No blows for you.
I'll be honest, that's Paul from Harry. You're the only black woman that's coming to show you deserve respect. Lovely to meet you. My name's Philly. I'm 25.
Bro, you just pandered to the emotions, bro. Yes. Not gonna lie, Philly looks short still. Not gonna lie, bro.
You should know better, I'll be honest.
Yeah, but Philly just did 100 bucks freestyle, bro. I've never even seen 100 bucks, bro. So I can't talk shit about Philly.
You should know better, I'll be honest.
Yeah? You did it for the camera. The thing is, I picked him up, and what he was saying, you know, I won't say.
I don't know what you said.
I did what he did. I said my. Never mind.
Right. Okay. Second one, too short.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm telling you now, the shoes are doing confidence.
Sorry.
The what?
The shoes are doing up confidence
five
today.
About them, but yeah,
Confidence.
third one, that was too much. Fourth one.
I'll put myself here, don't worry.
Like so cute. Like I don't give a fuck. Nigga, like.
Yeah, it was cheeky.
Cheeky.
Yeah. That's unreal.
Yeah. So second to last,
It could have been, but I needed more from you.
Okay, sorry, I'll try and improve.
And then last one, you just mumbled on it. It could have been as well.
Said you're shy.
But we had a good time.
Millions of views and you're shy. It's all right. Next one.
Alright, hey guys.
Last
I'm
one.
Carmel, I'm 29, I'm from South East London. How are you guys doing?
Carmel, you look like a French painter, and I just want to paint you with my paintbrush. Sorry, but Jesus.
Alright, hey guys, I'm Carmel, I'm 29, I'm from South East London. How are you guys doing?
Yeah,
Very well. Good.
First person to ask about us.
Hello, I'm Harry. I'm 20. I'm 24. Oh God. Do you know what's on the menu? Me and you.
Oh! Hey, that's nice. Me and you. I like that still.
Yes.
Me and you.
I'm not gonna lie.
So good. He is so good.
Do you know how good he is?
He's actually trying to draw Gal today.
Me and you. Menu. That's unreal.
Menu.
Hi, I'm Simon. I'm 28 and... Hey, Toby, call the police.
What? Okay, why?
Someone stole our arse.
Hey.
Hi!
Hi! Did you say
that's the most?
Hi!
You don't deserve that.
You want hi?
Yeah, go over this.
You know what? You don't deserve that. Harry,
Yo,
Harry, come here.
Talk to me.
I said we run train on him.
Sure.
Yeah.
Whoa, babes. You see, this is why we kind of need to educate some white people on the terminology, you know, fam. Babes, you don't know what a train is? No, man, you can't do that. Train? Yeah, no?
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Love that.
Knew it. Train. She's on train.
Yeah, love that.
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an emergency. They stole her ass. They stole her ass, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they stole her ass.
Violation. Shotcom.
They hung up. Hey, they hung up.
I don't know what that one was.
They hung up.
Yeah, you tried to keep the joke going.
I'm really into cryptocurrency. I have
Same.
a lot of money in Reef and Ethereum. I'm also KSI.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. You see, bro, you see what I mean? The confidence, bro. The confidence.
I hate you.
I'm too safe.
How'd you get away with
What, did he say his name again?
How did you get away with this, bro?
Fam, he said he's into cryptocurrency and I'm KSI.
That's all I need to do. That's all I need to do.
And I said KSI, she's like, okay, calm.
Calm, you know? That's all I need to do.
Hi, my name's Vic. I'm 25, and I can see that you have a very good sense of fashion.
I swear, yeah, let's do
Hey, my name's Ethan, I'm 25.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds like my balls slapping on your cooch.
On his what?
You, my friend.
No, he deserves it.
He deserves
to be here. You deserve to be here. Hey, get in on our train.
Spank
Get in on the train.
Spank him. Naughty boy.
Hi, I'm Josh. I'm 28. The discount code for this video is legs. Do you want to spread them?
Sure.
10 out of 10.
Here we go.
Gang.
Hi, my name's Chunkz and I'm 24. I'm actually the richest man in the room because this is KSI's wallet.
Jesus.
Okay, nice.
Let's have a crazy night out.
Why are we jumping? Let's all get in the train.
Man, so let's all get in the train, bruv. Yo, man, them. Hey, freestyle at the end. Freestyle and your friend. Freestyle with them. Freestyle, not the me style, and a restyle, and a T-tile, and a renile, and a C-nile, mama P-nile. When we start freestyling about P-niles, bro, that's where I end this shit. Fam, Fam, I've been recording way too much today, bro. My brain is gone to shit. Start freestyle about peanut and baiting. Listen, Sidemen Tinder in real life. Amazing video. If you made it to the end of this video, just leave a comment saying that. You know what I'm saying? If you made it to the end of this video, leave a trigonometry comment in the comments, bro. Comment trigonometry, you see me? And also just comment anything. You know, we're on the road to 2K. So please sub to the channel. Please like the video. And leave a comment what you like, what you don't like. Comment your name, where you're from, so I can welcome you to the family. And yeah, tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace.
Girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll.